Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is God by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. Well, as you can see this week I have Anuka and Amelia who are going to assist me with the principal's report. And I'd firstly like to start off with a reflection on Mother's Day. I had a wonderful day with my family and friends, and I also think back about the wonderful store that we offered our students, and also thank not only our staff for your support, and especially Mrs. Wrigley, but also a big thank you to all the parents who came along on the day, because I know there were many excited students who spent a lot of time pondering those Mother's Day gifts at the store. So a big thank you. I'm very grateful for all of your support. Well, students in Year 3, 4 and 5, you can be very excited at the moment because I have been meeting with many teachers as we go through the planning process for camps. So very soon we've got the Year 4 City Camp coming up. We have the Year 3 camp at the Briars and the Year 5 camp at Phillip Island. So it's going to be lots and lots of fun. And yes, your teachers are working very hard behind the scenes to prepare those camps so that they're going to be days in a week of fun times. Well, this week, as you know, our students in Year 3 and 5 have participated in the NAPLAN, the assessments. I congratulate our students for the wonderful effort that you've put in. And we'll look at those results when we get them back to the school. And, well, those results will assist us in providing the very best learning for our students. And I'll just look at my notes. My final point, yes, this was a school council meeting this week, and in this week's newsletter for our parents, you'll see a report from the school council meeting. Well, that's all from me. I'd like to hand over now to Anuka.
So this week and actually a bit of last week, the peer mediation started. So now on recess, timetable A lunch and timetable B lunch, there will be peer mediators all around the school. One in the prep area, one in the agora, one in the oval and one in the basketball court.
Thank you, Anuka. Amelia?
Well, if you are having trouble outside or inside school, there will always be peer mediators, so you can always talk to them.
All right, the peer mediation program that's operating at the school during recess and lunch, and it's a wonderful opportunity and support for our students right across the school. So a big thank you to Mr. Music, and a big thank you for our peer mediators at the school. You're doing a absolutely fantastic job. Well, that concludes the principal's report for the online assembly this week. Have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to seeing everybody around the school next week. Thank you, everybody. Bye now.
Going on a wombat hunt.
We're not scared.
We're not scared.
We're gonna catch a big one.
We're gonna catch a big one.
We're not scared.
We're not scared.